seko kuchechi uko ndakaona ikumarondera iri kupika zvekuti
iri kupika even kadoma metori west
God is ruoko rwaMwari runooneka. Munhu anongoita zvinhu zvaMwari ruoko rwakarutadzi kushowa. Runotoshowa chete.
Praise God. Saka ndave ndina passion ka. So he said kuti ndakataura naTagwire. And the first day it was difficult because I need 2 more people vanga varipo. Saka aitadza kunyatsotaura. But once a day before wedding yake ndo patakazonyatsotaura. Saka anza aiti mfana ndoda kupawo ma-highlights nema-glimpse because ndimafana watinozoda kuti va-influence youth. So far I'm a kingmaker system. The first highlight ndakabata I said I'm a kingmaker system. I'm a kingmaker zvekutoti mudhara vantondiconsulta kana vachida kuisa minister zvekuti ndini ndakadismissa Chitando Winston. Even new lawyer iswa na Polite Kambamura yema small scale miners. And it's my policy. Ndindaisa policy haisi Polite. Ndinema mining expansions angu anduda kuita. So they needed that. Kuti ti edit EPO bill kuti no ma small scale ese ngapiswe pa EPO and legalized for foreign investors. And if you remember speech yandakambopa ikazopozwa na Mutsvangwa yekuti a foreigner cannot open a safe station, a tuck shop, a small scale mine. It's my vision. A foreigner cannot come to space rufana kuitwa nesusu vanhu vatema ma-locals. Saka it was actually my policy mining yoya. It was my policy. And so I'm a kingmaker. I'm not a kingmaker zvekuti most of my decisions anoitwa namudhara. They actually come from me. I do my meetings namudhara about twice a week, twice every week. We discuss economic issues, we discuss political issues and everything. So I am a kingmaker right now. After the president, I am the most powerful person of government, although I'm outside government. So what we now need Pamberapa is, and the CAP 3 yakatopera. That was the second the third highlight. CAP 3 yakatopera is going to be voted by parliament. Then the president will just simply sign on the BS that the president cannot go against the parliament. Parliament is representing people. Yeah, so the president just going to simply sign, and once it's law, pachatanga kuita now a campaign yekuti takuda young leadership more presidium. That will be the next war. Right now we can't fight 2 wars. We can't fight war dissension yana general, and we can't fight war CAP 3 at the same time. We have to fight one war at a time. So once we win the war CAP 3, we go for the second war general. Yeah, because he is proving to be a very, very big problem. We go for general. And so mukatarisa ndakawina pana Mudhara Isaac Moyo and Mudhara Matanga. I had them 4
fired.
I'll win again. Yes, and he used the word 4. And I will have my way again on general. I will have my way. Saka aiti pa mchato wemwana wangu mangwana ndo pa mchaona who is a kingmaker in government. The whole government is coming here. The whole government. Yeah, except the general. But the whole government is coming, including Mdara is coming. Manje sakaito promise anyone who wants to do anything in the government who is going to be here. And my ministers and the only office they come kumba kwangu. The only people who I don't call Achuya Kumba is the president, my vice presidents, Akiari too. Ndowe gaiwa bandisinga kwanise kuti ndidaidze Achuya Kumba. All other ministers na Sanyatwe na General Sanyatwe. And because I have no, and Naganabasana, I have no use for him. But all other ministers, including Opa, I host him Bamango. Mutuli Nube to not discuss some financial issues, estate Mumbamango. Yes, I call them all of them. Shkanzma Purisa SI, they are on my payroll. Questo ku prisons, ku questo my military generals, they are in my pocket. Do not tolerate a few who I don't call. All these generals, I can just, it's just a phone call. All these directors were CIO, it's just a phone call. Even the new justice Mama, it's just a phone call. All my Supreme Court judges, Judge President they're just a phone call away. Sagai chema passion ajiti I saw power panata kire. Anzi imba yake inenge ine ma drone security mdengo. After every hour kunosumuzwa drone because yakareba 2 kilometers by 2 kilometers irikuna lula. The whole boundary wall is 2 kilometers long. Anzi saka paninge paine 20 armed security zinenge tichita ma rotations around the house nema AK-47 tichibvisa vari muperimeter security vari around the house vari ngori muyard they about 20 vanzi vanasingatoone vari musango muyard then mukati mune vamwe ane vault mumba hanzi yeze vault mumba vault chairo vote Mari gold whatever it's actually vote resimbi and then a vote mba and way to that vote in a biometrics throughout the way to the vote and they said ndindu kurana petroleum yese nyika right now ndine 300,000 liters pamabvuku masasa in a 300,000 metric tons, sorry, which is about over 300 million liters. The petroleum. The rival wangu ndi Billy Rutenbach because Billy argumeka $9 per every liter petrol upina Mzimbabwe. Chema it's too much because
sugar
and yes. And ndaiti kuna president yes 2018 Billy akakupa $85 million a campaign. Then last campaign akaisa about 50 million akaidzikisa. But mukatasa mari ari kuita per month ari kuita about 30 to 35 million dollars per month. And it is not fair. But hanzi seems like Bilane hold isingaita done. Billy Rutenbach but hanzi ndiye rifle yangu but hanzi petroleum ndindu controller petroleum Zimbabwe ndindi not decide ndiana ne fuel chatwa pumped pipeline or not ndini my decisions I say fuel are not over one ndindi no run fuel industry Zimbabwe
ya inga ne simba
hanzi ndindu kurana fuel yes Zimbabwe I'm the one running it. Saka weeknew yes vanota yes aita mari weeknew dishing cars chi but our weeknew is very very small compared to me. It's very little. It's an insult to compare him to me. Even Scott Chacha, it's an insult. And he still insisted with Scott still has more money than Wicknell. And because Scott are quite 1.5 tons per month. Zari kuburitsa. Saka apanga ari stuck because of Dubai crisis. Saka paiwe gold by Ramdara ndo by yawandisa muno. That's why the gold had to be taken to Belarus. And it was my idea. Scott nakatozompa an instruction to follow there. It was my idea. But Scott anoita 1.5 tons per month gold. So Better Brands is making quite some money. Last year, Scott akaburitsa gold 850 million US. 850 million. But this year is surpassing $1 billion because I reach 1.5 tons per month. And so no boys ranguri nemariro really. Tungwarara is now back in order. Tungwarara, I whipped him in order. And I got also Misa in trouble. He had to come and apologize. He had to come and apologize. That's why Dinaga to protect her Angel. Tungwarara wanted to finish Ubet Angel. But I'm the one who protect. And Zagato Yakachema Kwandiri Angel. He actually came and cried. Then I said, it's okay, I'll shield you. I'm the one who shielded Ubet Angel. And Dinaga shielded Ubet Angel. And so I am the kingmaker. Even my churches, I'm taking my churches one by one. Dagado Tora AFM because I gave them 1 million. ZPC, uyu mtende amdara wangu. We to know I'm taking that one. Even Marangi, I'm taking that one. Varango tichete, they don't want to see any involvement. Yamachakaire. Then Mudzidzi, I'm taking that one. Zayoja is hard to penetrate, very, very hard. But Makandiwa, Ubet Angel, Magaya, I've taken all those ones because I helped Magaya get a bailout. I helped Ndagano Intercity Unamdarota Amda. I never know Komana. We don't need that. So my church's SDA hands I'm in total control of that one. SDA, I'm in total control of that one. So a youth strategy. I need to get into youth. I need a youth strategy. But passion ango tanza ndagango manager because inini goreri chitanga ndaganzi gorere kungangurwa end. Ndagatoona vakomana vakawanda hanzi kunyanya Wicknell akatobatu. And but I couldn't tell upgrade that. Inini zvokunzi ndikambenere mayouth chichi. Kusvika hondona General Chwenge yapera handinotombopindira munyaya idzodzidzi because ndine zvandakatoona zvinotoitika. But hanza ndiri kunyepera also that guy akabata and the president respects him and listens to him. Akabata hanza akabata zvokuti anana Shoni vaya vanonzi wemfana Shoni uyapano ndomataurira anoita navo. Hanzi akanetsana na Junior recent laitoti mfana Junior machances ake ekuti achazoraisa mugovernment akuda kumabvisa manje. He wants to eradicate his chances. Yes, hanzi ndo power rinata.
Hanzi akakona na why?
Hanzi are some business deals.
Okay.
Because the Junior ano trade a drug ka. Yes, hanzi tagwire hadi zvema drugs. Because mwana wake was once a drug addict. Saka hadi zvema drugs, but Junior anotrade ma drugs. Saka hanzi vakanetsana nenyaya idzodzo. Hanzi ivina Machakaire ndo pakabva Bifrau. Machakaire anotrade ma drugs, cocaine. Machakaire anotrade cocaine. So hanzi akabata. So pane biggest highlight was now yesterday. He said, Apostle, uyu mkomana uyu haama one. hanzi ndanga ndina Angel naMakandiwa kumuchato